Now, just in case you never come for some strange reason, we have the highlights for you. Now, breathe this. Yeah.
You don't know what a girl sexy and fat. Little girl, don't give away that. You want me to feel I'm ready. When you touch me feel, but I'm blind on my belly. Jiggle, jiggle up your body now. Me love watch your little body so. Me love how you're pretty like your mommy. Love the daddy for your tummy. Girl, you're witty and you're dummy. Me turn up the skin now, baby. Make nice if you want, but don't daddy. So fall for your mama, for your papa. Me no matter by time the police come to dance, done already. Again, me turn up the scheme now, baby. Make nice if you want, but don't daddy. So fall for your mama, for your papa. Me no matter by time the police come to dance, done already. Looking at me, I know, now go diss you, baby. Wind up your body.
I'm DJ going on bad, and of course, Smirnoff in our cup, but I want to.
Alright, so talk to us about the partnership with Daydream and Smirnoff. How's that been for you?
I mean, you know, it's a partnership we've renewed, and it's really working because for Smirnoff, as long as the patrons are happy, I mean, Daydreams always deliver in terms of how the place look, the place set up, you know, the best DJs in the business. DJ Liquid, pick up yourself. So, you know, drinks available, everybody enjoying themselves. Smirnoff is definitely always at the bar, so food is available. What more you want?
What more do you want? Ultra all inclusive.
The world's #1 vodka with the world's best tasting drinks, mixing the world's best nightlife. None else. Smirnoff to the world.
Daydreams today, now we're talking about the end of the Easter weekend in the LA. What go on?
Well, at Daydreams and you just said the whole thing turn up, so I don't know where to tell you. If you miss the Daydream, you miss one of the biggest party. Turn up.
Alright, so what about the selector them point when them choose for the party? How that feel for you?
Well, so far the selector them are going good. I like the selection. The people them get boring yet. I'll know we're not boring. As you can see, we are drink, we are party. Liquid, them are going good. Yeah, everybody are going good. Copper shot there, them are going good. Everybody are going good.
So why not your cup, Elliot? People want to know why you drink.
You know I don't leave the anything at all. You know I straight any and cranberry. You understand? So the thing turn up. How you do, boy? You want, hey, how you do, boy?
Hey, what's your man style, man? The man ever fresh in a dog. Or you keep the swag turn up?
Well, the swag is, you have to just know this is dancehall and it comes with the swag. So we have to keep the swag. And from Mr. Energy God, you say swag. So, you know the thing go. Turn up, loud, kaboom.
So what go on, man? Everything good?
What go on? Everything very good. This place is amazing. I'm from Ireland. This place rocks.
All right, so you're Irish.
I'm Irish.
Your first time here?
First time here in Jamaica. Loving it. People are brilliant. Make me very welcome. I'm tip top. Tip top.
All right, the man enjoy himself. So what do you think about the party so far, Stu?
Well, the women are half clad. It was sexy, very beautiful.
So you can't complain about that?
I'm not going to complain about the party, the women. Music is brilliant.
Yeah.
DJ, brilliant. I invite all Irish people all around the world. Come here, 45 million. This place rocks.
Now, I don't know what it is about beautiful women and daydreams, but I'm glad I'm standing beside one right now. So what's your name and where you from?
Shelly, I'm from New York.
Okay, what's going on? What brought you here tonight?
Daydreams.
So you're liking it?
Yes.
What about the party that you like?
The music and the people and the environment, you know, it's very good.
Okay, that's good. So for the people who are sitting at home right now, and for some strangers, for some very sad reason, they didn't make it tonight. Walk them through the party so far. Like, what have been the highlight for you so far?
I think just the people and like the music is really upbeat and like, you know, it keeps changing. It's really good.
Hey yo, Prentice is in the building with that Daydreams. It is the ultimate way to cap up for Easter event. And of course, we're talking about the beautiful ladies. We have Ariel here all the way from Miami. What's going on?
Everything is good, having fun.
Looking sexy as usual, Ariel. What's going on tonight?
Daydreams off the hook. If you aren't here, you miss an amazing party.
What is it about Daydreams, I think, that keeps bringing the people here?
The DJs and the free liquor that comes all inclusive.
I love my cranberry juice and I can't live without it. And you know, adding the spice of variety to your daily routine can add years to your life. Now, research has shown that people who exercise regularly, eat whole fruits and vegetables along with juice, like the light ocean spray, cranberry cocktail, along with dietary supplements and exercise regularly, can live longer. Now, with all that said, I'm going to enjoy my cranberry juice, and in the meantime, you can check out the ocean spray Top 10 Singles chart right here on Predis. Now, you want to find out who is #1 in the country? Watch the charts. Mad.
Yeah, hello bad mind, how you doing today? How you doing today? Me no want no strange face around me, I just saw me steer. I tell them me no beg friend. No, me no running from people. Me stinking link, me stay real too. Me no love likes, me no fright. Can't jumping on the Benz, I make me go and drive it down. On taxi cam, just go and go cool out. In on the Benz, I make me go and drive it down. On taxi cam, just go and go cool out. 50 man and fan down the cabin. Don't tell no one say you no run no taxi. If you make 50
Thumper up, the maga man thumper up. Makes you fly in the air and tap on the chair. No one no man run par up. That's why me a thumper up. School I am a bumper up. Makes you fly in the air and thumper up. The maga man thumper up. Makes you fly in the air and tap on the chair. No one no man run par up. That's why me a thumper up. School I am a bumper up. Makes you fly in the air and
girl them look for me, them tell me them love me.
girl come kiss, come hug me. All when some boy hate me.
Them girl want hate me.
The girl them love off the brown cute face.
The girl them love off me bleach out face.
Man a stepper, catch up them a play, man a pepper. When the star boy walk, man a stepper, catch up them a play, man a pepper. Coulda day, coulda dark, man a stepper. Catch up them a play, man a pepper. Never buy out no chart, me know better.
The girl them a talk about me. My reputation stink a road, but me name not call up on no wrong thing, and me name not call up on no bad thing. Every man when love girl put your hand up. Me swear for me life on the ground when me stand up. Any day you hear second road, above the cloud, above the cloud, above the cloud. Stand out inna the crowd, above the cloud, above the cloud, above the cloud. MOB dancers they vote a road. RDX we done another dance episode. All about above the cloud, above the cloud.
The girl them a star boy, but me not star the blue movie. Them a star boy, and on my fault if a boy girl choose me. Sure star boy. Some boy girl use them, no girl can't use it. Them a star boy. Let me see them ones.
We secret for boy that's round a boy can ramp with man and women it. From the link funny, broke it off like with a great stick. Me no chat star for no boy, I tell me nearly if enough a boy a bun corner and them a the learn this. Watch I know, funny habit, we no habit for the woman them we care but they can't see me rabbits. Kareem we no know.
And that's it for our show this week. We hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as we did enjoy bringing it to you. Yeah, we have to bring up the right Image Entertainment Group. Yeah, Martin, support it, turn up. And of course, if you want to catch up on past episodes, all you have to just hit us up on YouTube. Just type in Predis and you'll catch all of the latest, you know. So may I say. Of course, we're on Facebook and Twitter, so you don't know. Let's start out the link, you know, social thing. Watch the pre-ments. My name is Kazmar, signing off from Jacksall, St. Ann. Daydreams a party there. We'll go back to the party now. See you guys next week. And until then, watch the pre-ments.